Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm using my e.l.f. Satin Finish Foundation and I'm using my Morphe foundation brush. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit onto my hand and use my fluffy brush to apply my foundation. Now this foundation is more yellow than my actual skin tone, but I have a very neutral undertone, so a lot of foundations either look too red or too yellow. It's hard to find one that's perfectly neutral. I'm going to gently buff this into my skin. If you guys have a favorite foundation, please leave it down in the comments. I would love to know which foundation is your favorite. I personally have super dry skin. This one's okay, but I want one that's more full coverage. Now I'm just applying it to my forehead. I have a lot of dark spots from like acne, random acne popping up. I can't help but scratch my acne. Don't do that. Put a little patch on your acne to make it go away. Alright. Just make sure I'm putting it on my eyelids. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. Now I'm going in with this Miss Metals Glitter Shock. It's like a liquid glitter. And I'm just gently applying that to my eyelids. This one's more like a pale pink color. It's super pretty and light. My camera does not do it justice. So later in the video I'm going to show you guys with the flash on my phone to show you guys exactly how it looks. So I'm gently blending that in. I decided not to go with any base color, but you definitely can if you want to. This is just like a nice, like everyday kind of eyeshadow look. So this is with the phone light. Look how glittery it is. And I'm going with the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I do like this mascara, but the wand is too big, so it gets on my lid. So if you also have a suggestion for a nice mascara, maybe with a smaller wand, definitely let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying these makeup tutorials, please let me know. Now I'm also applying that glitter to my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with that same mascara on the lower lash line. Now I'm applying my Gucci. This is the one Diana Amber. My favorite lipstick. It is a sheer lipstick. So don't expect a full opaque look if you use this lipstick. I think this color is so pretty. It complements every skin tone because it's not like a normal red. It's like a brownish red, so it's super freaking pretty. Look how pretty. And it's buildable if you do want an opaque look. But I love it so much. And the packaging is gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going in with the Luna Magic blush. This is in the shade Anita, I believe. I'm just gonna apply this to my upper cheekbones. So I do go in a little too heavy with my blush. That's okay because I'm gonna take my foundation brush that I used before. It still has a product on it. I'm just gonna tone down my blush just a little bit. So I do like to bring the blush up onto my nose also. But you can put your blush how you want to put it. Alright, so yeah, I'm going back in with my foundation brush just to tone down that blush a little bit. Alright. Let me zoom out just a little bit. And I'm also going to go back in with that. Oh, a different glitter actually. I got this one on Temu. If you don't know what Temu is, they have super affordable, like cheap products. But like, they're so good. Being tongue tied, but they're so good. I'm going under my brow with that glitter liner. And this glitter is so pretty. Look how pretty when the light hits it. Alright, and then I'm just doing my other eyebrow. And these are like less than $1 also. They're having a sale going on when I bought this. I'm also going to go above my eyebrow. And I'm going in the inner corners of my eyes with the same glitter. Of course, you could just use an eyeshadow if you want to do that. But I love this glitter. I'm kind of obsessed with it. Like I said, it was super cheap. I'll leave my link down below to Temu. I'm just blending in the glitter on my eyelids a little bit more. And this is the finished look, you guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Have a beautiful day. Bye.